Collar A, the one without the screw hole, should not be tightened. It must remain loose enough to slide up and down freely. Tighten only collar B securely so that it grips the cylinder tightly and cannot slide. Using an Allen wrench, tighten the two screws on collar B alternately until the cylinder loosens and can be removed. Turn the chair base upside down and place it into the pipe or stand. Use our cylinder base removal tool on the top end of the cylinder. Strike the tool firmly with the hammer until the base separates from the cylinder.